Efang Soup happens to be one of the best and most interesting soup from the Akwa Ibom. So welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswe as we make Efang Soup in today's video. So we have our Efang leaf, which is known as okazi. We have our goat meat, we have dry fish, we have almost three different dry fish. Okay, we have our cow skin, we have our periwinkle isam, we have the one that they've unplugged, we have our water leaf, Maggi, salt, and we have the periwinkle that is not out from its shells. So that's what we'll be using for today's cooking. And we have our blended crayfish, which is inside the mortar. So let's proceed. So in a clean pot, you add your goat meat. You add my stock fish because it's very hard. Yes, and I add this dry fish because this fish is actually very dry because I sun dry it. Add my pepper and I add my nut cube. Okay, remember if not be no, it cannot be no. Then I add a little salt and I like to cook with this water to steam with this water for it a main time. Then I cover it. If today is your first time watching this video or coming across this video, you're welcome. And this is Cook with Grace Kiswe. So let's continue. After allowing to steam with its water, I added more water that will allow it cooked. So at this time, our meat or protein of our choice is ready. So I added my cow skin, I added the periwinkle, I added the water leaf. Okay, be generous with the oil this time around. Okay, don't be don't no they stingy with your oil. Then I add my crayfish, then not cube again. Then I add enough palm oil. Always remember this that cleanliness is next to godliness. Clean your environment while cooking. So sorry, I added the other periwinkle, but that is behind the camera. Sorry, I did not video. Dry fish, then cover. I like to cook. So once it's ready, I added my okasi, which is the blended okasi, which is known as the afang, which is the main ingredient we are using for the soup. Add my remaining blended crayfish. I added more palm oil because the soup actually needs a lot of palm oil. So be generous with your palm oil. Added my fresh dry fish and cover it, allow it to cook. At this time, it has cooked for a while and our soup is ready at this junction. So, guys, if you'll be giving it a try, let me know. And I hope you love the recipe. Thank you for always watching Cook with Grace Kiswe. And tell us where you're watching from so that I will send you a hug in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.